Sometimes with GoGuardian, you may want to add a classroom. If you have classrooms all pulled over from Skyward, you should see them all under your pending tab. But you might have times where you have a group, maybe you've departmentalized with another teacher, and the other teacher actually controls the gradebook in Skyward, so you don't see this class in your version of GoGuardian. Or you might have a group, like some schools use SFA still, where they have a group of reading students who are at a certain level, so they come over and meet with them, but they're still under their homeroom teacher. So there's times where you might need to create a classroom that doesn't match your classrooms that are set up in Skyward. So to do this, when you log into GoGuardian, you'll be on the Classrooms tab and then the Active tab. And over on the right side, you're going to see Add Classroom. I'm going to click on that, and here I can give my class a name. Okay, I can pick a subject. It's always going to require you to do that. I'm just going to pick Other. I could give it a description. I could set up a default scene for this class to start on all the time. I can change the tile color, so instead of the blue that you can see on this one over here, it's a different color. And then once I do all that, I click Add Classroom. Once that classroom is added, it's automatically going to prompt you to add students. You don't have to do this at this point in time. You can always wait till later. If you want to wait till later, you can just hit the X and that box goes away. However, if you do get to the point that you want to go back and add students, you'll just click on Classrooms, come back to this tab. If you click on the class tile, you can go on this left side and click on Students. This would show you the list of all your active students or students that are currently in the class. But over here you can go to Add Students. That box pops right back up and give you the 3 options to do this. Personally, my recommendation would be to use either the second or the third options. But you could use this first option by using a code. And what you'll do is if you click on the button, it tells the web page that students need to go to, and then it gives them the enroll code to be able to enroll in this course. Your other option are student emails, which this is where you could add one student, basically type in their email, and then hit add another, and then hit add another until you get all your students in, and then click add students. Or if you have a bunch and you already have their email addresses in a list, you could basically do a CSV file import, and this would be done in Excel. You just paste in your list of all those email addresses, save it as a CSV file, and then you could basically either drag and drop it in this box to upload it, or when you click on this, it'll open up File Explorer and you could go and find the file, and then click Import Students. So once you've created your class, you can add your students, and then you're ready to start sessions with that class.